Good morning, everyone. I am Jean-François Philippot. I am the Scientific Director of France Energy Marine, and I am pleased to introduce you the Seabed Dynamics Table, Roundtable, part of the FEM 2020 Tribune. So the question that we'll try to reply through this roundtable is how to reduce the cost necessary for the characterization of the seabed and adapt structure to the specific nature of the soil. So for this roundtable, we will have an excellent panel of speakers, including Thierry Garland, who is head of marine geology department at CHOM, Maël Nexer, who is the coordinator of scientific expert work at France Energy Marine, Elisabeth Palix, who is senior geotechnical engineer at EDF Renewables, and finally Judith Flamme, who is a PhD student at MAPEM Geophysics. So the common thread of the roundtable stands in this question: how to reduce the cost necessary for the characterization of the seabed and adapt structures to the specific nature of the soil. So the first topic we will discuss with Thierry Garland from CHOM is the extreme conditions at tidal sites. And as you might know, this condition induce extreme currents and intense sediment transport, including the transport of pebbles, that can be a threat for the structural integrity of tidal turbine, as for instance for the blade. And we will discuss how through the physics project we attempted to collect in situ measurements of this sediment transport and what we learned from this measurement through the discussion with Thierry. The second talk will be dedicated to the marine dunes that can be found on some MRE sites, including the Dunkerque bottom fixed wind turbine site. So these marine dunes are about 10 meters high and 100 meter length, and are moving due to tides or storms. In this dune, you can find a very specific food web structure that is also altered by the movement of the dunes. So we will discuss these problems through the dune projects with Maël, and also discuss how this sediment transport and change in the food web structure associated with the natural movement of the dunes interacts with the cable layout and structure that can be deployed through the MRE project. The third topic deals with the characteristics of carbonated soils that are present on different French offshore wind farm sites. And these soils are very specific mechanical characteristics that are very important for the design of the wind turbine foundation. So Elisabeth Palix will tell us how we progress on the characterization of these mechanical properties and on the design of the wind turbine foundation through the SOLSEA Plus project. And finally, we'll have a talk from Judith Flamme on the use of alternative geophysical approaches combining seismic and marine resistivity sensors to reduce the number of geotechnical soundings that are necessary to characterize the mechanical properties of the soil before the design of the foundation. And she will tell us about GeoSysMem project and the latest research that are carried out in this project. Thank you very much. Enjoy this roundtable.